Okay, hello Rihan. Let's start today's class. So today we will learn some important examples of mathematics. Okay, regarding to chapter exponents. Okay, so let's try to solve the questions one by one. The first one is given: evaluate the value 4 to the power 3 by 2 into 125 to the power minus 2 by 3 how to solve. Okay, how to solve it. So what is the approach? Now let us break this number 4 as 2 to the power 2, then whole power 3 to the power 2. Again, here 125 is the power of 5 to the power 3 and whole power minus 2 by 3. Now it is in the form of a to the power m whole power n, that is equal to a to the power mn. Clear? Now here you can write now 2 into the this power should be multiplied 2 into 3 by 2 into 5 into here 3 into minus 2 by 3. Okay, then 2 2 cancelled, 3 3 also cancelled. So it will be 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power minus 2. It will be 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power minus 2. Yes. 2 to the power 3, you can directly add the answer. That is 8. Okay. Here 2 will multiply for 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. So it's 8 here. You know, a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. Similarly, here it will be 1 by 5 to the power 2. Here 5 to the power minus 2 will be positive. How? If you take its reciprocal, 1 by 5 to the power 2. So 8 by 5 to the power 2 is 25. So the answer is 8 by 25. Clear? I think it's clear. So here is the question, and this is the final part of the answer. Okay, if you clear, then next question. If you found a difficulty, then I will call you and you will ask me what is your doubt. Okay, then come to the next question, next example, that is 8 by 27, 8 by 27 whole to the power 2 by 3 whole to the power 2 by 3 divided by 32. Oh, sorry. Where is that? Where is that? How could I get it? Sorry. New folder. Okay. So the question is again, I'm writing. Here is some problem in the tab. Uh, the question is 8 by 27 to the power 2 by 3 divided 32 to the power minus 2 by it's 5. Okay. Okay. So here you can, yeah, Here 8 by 27, you can write it 2 by 3 whole to the power 3. Okay, 2 by 3 whole to the power 3 is 8 by 27. How? Now that is 2 to the power 3 by 3 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 is 8. 3 to the power 3 is 27. Now again whole to the power 2 by 3. Okay. Similarly, divided by 32. 32 is the 2 to the power 5. Okay. And whole power minus 2 by 5. Okay. Then it is in the form of a to the power m whole power n, that is equal to a to the power m into n. Clear? So now it will be 2 to the power 3 whole power 3 into 2 by 3 divided by 2 to the power 5 into minus 2 by 5. So 3 will be cancelled, 5 will be cancelled. Now it will be 2 to the power 3 power 2, 2 to the power 2 by 3 whole power 2. Okay, divided 2 to the power minus 2. Okay, divided by 2 to the power minus 2. So it will be 4 by 9. Yes, 2 to the power 2 is 4, 3 to the power 2 is 9, and into 1 by 2 to the power minus 2. Here is division. If you put it multiplication symbol, then I will write it in reciprocal rule. You know, a divided by b is equal to a into 1 by b. Similarly, here if I give into symbol, then this number will be its reciprocal form. So 1 by 2 to the minus 2. So 4 by 9 into, it will be 2 to the power 2. Okay. 1 by a to the power minus m is equal to a to the power m. Clear enough? So now it is 4 into 2 to the power 2 is also 4 by 9. So answer will be 16 by 9. 16 by 9. Okay. If you make it mixed fraction, then it will be 1 of 7 by 9. 1 of 7 by 9. 16 by 9. Okay. It's improper fraction. If you want to make it mixed fraction, then it will be 1 of 7 by 9. Clear? Okay. Then next example is let me write example क्या है बेटा. Yes, this is the example. Minus 2 to the power 4. Okay. Minus root 3 to the power 0 into minus 2 to the power, this is I think 6. Yes, 6 divided by 4. Divided 4. Okay. Divided symbol. Now let's solve. Is equal to. Now let's write minus 2 to the power 4 minus here. I have already told you something to the power 0 is equal to 1. Here root 3 to the power 0 is equal to 1 into minus 2 to the power 6 divided 4 is 2 to the power 2. 4 is 2 to the power 2. Now it will be minus 2 to the power 4 minus upper. It is minus 2 to the power 6. One second. Okay. It's question. Sorry, I think question is wrong here. I've written the wrong thing. One second. Minus no. Okay, okay. Okay. Uh, Here minus to the power 6 minus 1 into 1 second. Yeah. Here minus 1 into minus to the power 6 will be 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 divided 2 to the power 2. It will be minus 2 to the power 4 minus 2 to the power 2. It will happen 6 minus 2. So it is equal to minus 2 to the power 4 minus 2 to the power 4. It will be minus 16 is equal to minus 32 is the answer. Just look it again. I'm going to explain it. Here the question is minus 2 to the power 4 minus root 3 to the power 0 into minus 2 to the power 6 divided by 4. So I have written minus 2 to the power 4 into, I have already told you something to the power 0 is equal to 1. Here 1 into minus to the power 6 divided by 4 is the 2 to the power 2. Okay. Again, I have just copied it, minus 2 to the power 4. Here I have written minus 2 to the power minus 6. Okay. So I think it may be the problem for you. Sir, how it is? Sir, you have written 1 into minus 2 to the power 6 is equal to 2 to the power 6. Okay. Just I am going to explain it. 1 into here is minus 2 to the power 6. Okay. Now it is minus 2 to the power 6. Clear? Here I have multiplied 1 with minus 2 to the power 6. So it will be simply minus 2 to the power 6. Here minus 2 to the power 6 will give you positive value. I have already told you yesterday that minus a to the power m will be positive if the power m is even number. Here the power 6 is an even number, that's why its value will be 2 to the power 6. Its value will be positive value 2 to the power 6. Yesterday we have discussed it. Okay, that's why I have written here its value is 2 to the power 6. Then 2 to the power divided by 2 to the power 2. Here just look here. Here 2 to the power 6 divided 2 to the power 2. Base is equal. You are dividing it as per the formula. the power will be what? Will be subtracted. That's why I've written 2 to the power 6 minus 2. Then finally minus 2 to the power 4 minus 2 to the power 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Minus, just minus here, 2 to the power 4 simply, that is 16, 2 into 2 4 into 2 8 into 2 16, minus 16 here same minus 16, that is equal to minus 32. Minus 16 minus 16 is equal to minus 32. Okay. Okay. Next question. Next question. Try to solve. What is the question? Here. Simplify. Simplify. X to the power m plus n into x to the power n plus n l into x to the power l plus m by x to the power m into x to the power n into x to the power l whole to the power 2. Okay, so this is the question. We have to simplify it. Very easy question. Here, just look here. Here the bases are equal x, 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 and here given multiplication sign. Just remind the formula. What we will do now? Now we have to adding these powers. Okay, I have already told you na, a to the power m into a to the power n into a to the power n. Then what will happen? A to the power m plus n plus, so this, suppose this is l plus l. Understood? Here the bases are equal and we are going to multiply them. So as per the formula, their powers will be added. Okay. Similarly, you have to do this. So it will be here next x, it will be x to the power m plus n plus n plus l plus l plus m divided by. So this part will be what? X to the power 2m into x to the power 2m into x to the power 2l. Okay, just like this. A into b whole to the power n is equal to a to the power n into b to the power n. Similar thing, it will be x to the power m whole to the power 2 into x to the power n whole to the power 2 into x to the power l whole to the power 2. Okay, now it will be x to the power m plus m, it will be 2m plus n plus n 2n l plus l 2l divided by x to the power 2m into x to the power 2n into x to the power 2l. So it is x to the power 2m plus 2n plus 2l by x to the power, here bases are equal, we are going to multiply them. So this power will be added, it will be 2m plus 2n plus 2l. Okay, now just look at the situation. Both the numerator and denominator are equal, so it will be cancelled. Answer will be 1. 1 will be the answer. 1 will be the answer. Okay, this is the question, and This is the answer. Clear? Now, next question. Just look here. X to the power a divided by x to the power b whole power a plus b into x to the power b by x to the power c whole power b plus c into x to the power c by x to the power a whole power c plus a. Okay, just simplify. It's an important question. It's an important question. Just simplify this question. Okay, that is equal to, just look here, x to the power a into, sorry, divided by x to the power b. Here bases are equal, and it's divided. Then the power will be subtracted as per the rule. It will be x to the power a minus b whole power a plus b. Similarly, it is x to the power b minus c whole power b plus c. It is x to the power c minus a whole power c plus a. Okay, again it is in the form of a to the power m whole power n, that is a to the power m into n. So it will be x to the power a minus b into a plus b, x to the power b minus c into b plus c into x to the power c minus a into c plus a. Okay, clear? Here is a formula, a minus b into a plus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. It's the formula. A plus b into a minus b इज इक्वल टू, ये होगा क्या, ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. हाउ? जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई देम, ए इंटू ए स्क्वायर, ए इंटू माइनस ए बी इंटू ए प्लस ए बी इंटू माइनस बी स्क्वायर प्लस ए बी कैंसल्ड, ओनली ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. Similarly, b plus c into b minus c is equal to b square minus c square. C plus a into c minus a is equal to c square minus a square. Understood na? Like this, just multiply them a by using the distributive formula. A into a is equal to a square, a into minus b minus ab, b into a is equal to ab, b into minus b square. Okay, so a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Similarly, your b square, sorry, b plus into b minus will be b square minus c square, and c plus into c minus will be c square minus a square. Clear? Now, just come to here. So now I can write now x to the power a square minus b square into x to the power b square minus c square into x to the power c square minus a square. Clear? अब क्या होगा? Now just bases are equal, we are multiplying them, then what will happen? As per the rules, these powers will be added. Okay, I can write now here x to the power a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. So x to the power, just look, plus a square minus a square cancel, minus b square plus b square cancel, minus c square plus c square cancel, x to the power 0, x to the power 0, that is equal to 1 is the answer. Something to the power 0 is equal to 1. It's an important one. Just try to solve it. Okay. If it's not possible, then ask me. I will definitely clear your doubts. Okay, now come to the last example. I think, yeah, it is given if 25 to the power n plus 1 plus 100 is equal to 5 to the power 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1. Okay, yes, implies you can write 25 as the 5 to the power 2 whole power n plus 1 plus 100 is equal to 5 to the power 2n plus 1. Clear है? So now it will multiply 5 to the power 2 into n plus 1, a to the power m whole power n, j to the power m into n. Here just bring this from right side to left side. So it will be minus 5 to the power 2 n plus 1. Okay. Okay. Uh, oh, that is equal to minus 100. Minus 100. Okay. That implies it is 5 to the power 2n plus 2 minus 5 to the power 2n plus 1 is equal to minus 100. Okay, side change means sign change. 100 is plus in left hand side. If we will go to the right hand side, the symbol will be minus 100. Okay, then here you can write now, just expand it. You can write 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power 2 minus 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power 1 is equal to minus 100, is equal to minus 100. Okay, clear na? 5 to the power 2n plus 1, that is 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power 2. Here 5 to the power 2n will be common. In both the terms 5 to the power 2n will taking common. 5 to the power 2n. So it is here 5 to the power 2 minus 5 to the 1. 5 to the power 2 minus 5 to the power 1 equal to minus 100. That implies 5 to the power 2n, 25 minus 5 is equal to minus 100, minus 20. Yeah, 5 to the power 2n into 20 is equal to minus 100. So 5 to the power 2n is equal to minus 100 by 20. It will be minus 5. Minus 5. Okay. One second. n equal to 2. Answer will be n equal to 2. How it is possible? Okay. Here's some mistake. I've committed some mistake here. Just look here. Hmm, up to this it's okay. Okay. Up to this it's okay. Now, sorry. Just look here. Implies here 100 is equal to 100 is equal to, just take this from left hand side, right hand side. Here 5 to the power 2n plus 1, it will be minus 5 to the power 2n plus 2. Okay, that implies 100 is equal to, I can write now 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power 1 minus 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power 2. Okay. Sorry, yeah. I have written the wrong question. It's 2n minus 1, 2n minus 1. But I have written n plus 1 and 2n plus 1. Entire question is wrong. I've written the wrong questions. Sorry. Now, again, I'm going to write it. Sorry. The question is, if 25 to the power, it's n minus 1, but I've written n plus 1, plus 100 is equal to 5 to the power, here 2n minus 1, 2n minus 1. Sorry. Let's solve. Implies here 25 is 5 to the power 2 to the power n minus 1 plus 100 is equal to 5 to the power 2n minus 1. Sorry, because I have written the wrong question. I have not seen it properly. It is small letters are written. Okay. Now it will be 5 to the power 2n minus 2 plus 100 is equal to 5 to the power 2n minus 1. Here, a to the power m whole power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Okay, that's fine. So implies I can write now 5 to the power 2n minus 1 minus 5 to the power 2n minus 2 equal to 100. Keep this 100 in the left hand side. Okay, this 100. So here I've written, I've just take this number into right side. That's why the sign will be negative. Now I can write it 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power minus 1 minus, sorry, yes, minus 5 to the power 2 1 into 5 to the minus 2. Where is, yes, 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power minus 1 minus 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power minus 2 equal to 100, equal to 100. Yes. So here 5 to the power 2n is common on both the terms. Now you can write 5 to the power minus 1 minus 5 to the power minus 2 is equal to 100. Okay, let me to clear everything. Understood? So implies 5 to the power 2n. It is 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 to the power 2. Negative, just make it reciprocal, then its power will be positive, is equal to 100. So here I can write now implies 5 to the power 2n 1 by 5 minus 1 by 25 is equal to 100. Just solve this fraction. Uh, just solve this fraction. So this implies 5 to the power 2n. So LCM will be 25. 25 by 5 minus 1. Yeah, 25 5 minus 1. Yes, that is equal to 100. So 5 to the power 2n into 4 by 25 equal to 100. So 5 to the power 2n is equal to 100 into it will be 25 by 4. Just reciprocal. It is 25. So 5 to the power implies 5 to the power 2n is equal to 25 into 25. Okay. So 5 to the power 2n is equal to 625. That implies 5 to the power 2n. 625 is the 5 to the power 4. 5555. So base are equal. Now it's 2n is equal to 4, implies 2n is equal to 4. So n is equal to 4 by 2. That 2. So n is equal to 2. So answer is n is equal to 2. Okay. Due to my mistake, means due to the wrong question, this is the lengthy. Otherwise, it's a easy one. Okay. Try to solve it. It will be easy. I have written the wrong questions. That's why my answer was wrong. So again, I'll rectify it and solve it. It's very easy. You can just do it easily. Okay. If you found any difficulty, then ask me. I will just solve the problems. Okay. Don't issue. I'll call you in the evening, and if you find difficulty, tell me. I'll solve this. Okay. So आज के लिए इतना. Thank you. Next tomorrow I'll make some classes. Okay, on different subject. I think I'll make class on physics. So thank you.